Okay, so early wake up today, 5:30 or something like that. It's pitch black because we stopped early yesterday, so we have to go through some fields in the pitch black, which is creepy. It's 100 kilometers to Thessaloniki. Watch started. Coordinates started. In front of the church. Where's John?
He left.
How do you don't know he left? So I think that might be the end of John. I'm leaving too early to see my child. Great, so I look stupid, it's cold, and I'm gonna walk through fields in the pitch black with no dog. We had a good run, man, we had a good run. Bit sad, we did a solid like 5-10k together. I have to deal with this loss too now. He never barked once, he never sought attention too much. It's not like these people who just ba 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 all day, ba 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 ba. It's always about them. That wasn't John. John wasn't that sort of a guy. He just wanted to tag along, do what he could for the cause, help the orphans. See John go, but at the same time I see a lot of myself in John. And upon reflection, I'm very similar. The last 8 years of my life, I've been coming into people's lives. We go on adventures, we have fun, whatever. And then I leave. Never to be seen again, never know when I'm coming back. And this year, 2024, was part of my plan. And this March is part of my plan to settle down a bit. Before this, I'd never spent longer than 3 months in one city. For 8 years. I left home when I was 17, and pretty much after that, I have been running. I wanted to settle down, find more of a base, find where my home is. And I realized you don't find your home, you build your home. And that's what this is. This is Greece for me. Greece and Athens is my home. That's what they don't tell you about the digital nomad, the entrepreneur dream. Everyone wants to be a lone wolf, but then when he gets lonely, no one wants to do that. Last 7-8 years of my life has been very lonely because I've been solo, no university. I left the city, the country, the friends, the family I had 8 years ago. So this entrepreneurship thing wasn't just me doing, a bit of work on the side of side hustle. It was everything. I sacrificed everything. That word sacrifice is something that rings in my head very often. The song Sacrifice by Big Sean, I always listen to that song and I just vibe, because a lot of what I've done has been sacrificed. A lot of what this is sacrifice. But finding my home again, building my home again in Athens, in Greece, is my plan. Doing content, doing things like this, spending time with friends, getting to know my people. A lot of diaspora Greeks are Greek, but they don't feel it. They don't feel Greek, and they don't usually feel American or Australian or Canadian, wherever they're from. It's this weird double-edged sword where you don't really ever feel like you're in your place. So part of this isn't just personal achievement or raising money for orphans, although that is a priority. It's getting to know myself, getting to know my people. Every small conversation brings me closer to knowing Greece, knowing my people. Because to know who you are now, and to know where you're going, you need to know where you came from. don't know what's going on here, but literally just got attacked by 2 dogs. Fucking grabbing my pants and stuff. Literally have to walk knife in hand through this road. Yesterday we met the nicest dogs, and now we're meeting the worst dogs. 26k. So we're at the beach.
90% of the manager, but
Okay, so far we're at 27.48k. We are 8 hours in. We came all the way down here, all the way, and we are here. Today we're going here. Tomorrow we're going here, Thessalonicus. And that will be the end of the first of 3 stages. 1, 2 to Athens, and 3 to Money. That's that. Right there. It's raining, and I can't wait to walk. Left. So that was last full day of rain, but there will still be rain tomorrow morning. Good news is we're 1 day from Thessaloniki. I got a new blister. The other good news is I haven't showered in 3 days, and I probably won't shower now. The other good news is we're going to be joined tomorrow. Someone's going to walk with me to Thessaloniki, sharing my pain. Second half of today, I did 23.89 kilometers. Stop it there. Stop it. Still don't know how to use it. Holy moly. 13 hours of walking. From Orfinio, past the line, past Stavros, past Mount Athos, there. And tomorrow we make a run for Thessaloniki. The bad news is we have a creepy playground. So if you look here, look down the middle, how much bigger that one is. I think it's a medial ankle sprain because I keep going like this with my shoe. Spraining inwards from overuse. So yeah, it's pretty swollen. But there's not much else you can do besides ice and rest.